Hey guys, it's Michael here. On this channel I talk about life as a professional artist. So I've had a lot of people ask me, Michael, where do you find open calls to submit your work to? And today I'm going to get a little bit into that. So an open call is whenever an art organization is looking for artists to, exhibit, or for example, my publishing company goes and tries to publish artwork. And an open call is like a way where, they put out a listing and then people apply to it through that. And I've covered in other videos how you apply to those things, and maybe I'll go even more into depth with them in future videos. But today I want to talk about how do you find those open calls. So if you're a visual artist, there's really three big places. There are other places, and I'll get into those first, but the three big places that I go to, I check these places all the time, is the New York Foundation of the Arts, Submittable, and Art Connect. And whenever I go and I put out an open call with my business, those are the places that I submit. Now, there are definitely lots of other great places that you can find them, especially if you're looking for something more localized. For example, in Baltimore, they have, there's like a Baltimore-based art magazine, and then they have exhibition things and open calls there. Those are really, really great. There's one for every major city in the world, and you can be sure to find them. They have one for London, they have one for Miami, which is where I am. So I would start with the first three that I mentioned, and then branch out also to your local city and the cities around you. And then if you went to art school or art university, they almost always, a good one at least, will always have lists to open calls and exhibitions that you can apply to. And that's really all is there, is just, I guess the other one is like, would you apply to open call that you find on social media? And the answer is maybe, probably not. I've done open calls through Facebook and all of that, and the reality is they're probably a scam. I have no doubt that they're real exhibitions, but I would look at the institution behind them. And I think that, if they're targeting artists, then they're going to put it in like art organizations. So they're going to put it on the New York Foundation of the Arts. But if they're targeting people who want to be artists, who have money but aren't real artists, they're going to go on Facebook. And that's really my opinion. I know that's super controversial. I know people have had success with Facebook. But in my experience, you're not going to get a lot of the real serious players advertising on Facebook or on Instagram or on Twitter or TikTok or anything like that. Go to where the big boys are. And it's still kind of a big boys club if you want to be a part of that. And that's generally what people are asking, is how do I be a part of this more traditional club. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. I have lots more tips coming out all the time, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you so much.